Hello, this is Tim Bryce with the National Weather Service here in El Paso. This is a special weather briefing for the potential for heavy snow in the mountains and even possible lowland accumulating snows on Thursday. This recording was made January 21st in the afternoon. I'd like to thank Lance Tripoli, my fellow forecaster, helping putting together the slides for this presentation. All right, potential impacts. We are looking for a lot of snow, especially in the mountains. 3 to 5 inches of snow in the Gila region, over 6 inches, over half a foot of snow in the Sacramento Mountains starting this evening and going all the way through Thursday evening. But we are also expecting lowland snows. So in Sierra, Otero, and Hudspeth counties, we're expecting 2 to 4 inches. And in the counties of Luna, Doña Ana, and El Paso, we're expecting 1 to 2 inches. Now, not everybody in these counties are going to see those snowfall amounts, but that is just the potential that some of the snowfall amounts that could be seen in those counties. Some of the impacts, of course, would be snowpacked roads in the mountains and possible closures, especially Thursday morning through the day on Thursday. And we'll see that rain-snow mix in the late morning, early afternoon in the lowlands, and it's going to then change over in the late afternoon and early evening to all snow. And of course, we'll also be seeing some much colder temperatures as the cold air pours in on Thursday into Friday. What's causing all of this? Basically, we have an upper level storm system that's going to be giving us the lift and potential for precipitation. At the same time, we've got a strong cold front sliding in underneath this upper level low. Those two will combine together to give us a good chance for heavy snow in the mountains and even a chance for accumulating snows in the lowlands. Here, real quickly, is our expected snowfall amounts. Basically, as you can see in the mountains, like the Sacramento Mountains, over half a foot. A little less in the Gila, and then down in the lowlands. Basically, as you go further to the south and west, you're going to see less snowfall amounts. But even in El Paso, we could see 1 to 2 inches in parts of town. Uncertainties. The models are still trying to fine-tune the track of the upper-level storm system. If it wobbles a little further east or a little further west, that'll make a big difference on the exact snow bands that come across with it. So we're still trying to get that. If it wobbles a little further west, the Gila is going to get more snow than we are currently forecasting. If it wobbles a little further to the east, the Gila, parts of the Gila wilderness could actually receive no snow. And then again, that track will depend on make the difference for how much snow we get in the lowlands. Again, if it's a little further west, that snow band is going to be further west back towards Luna County. If it's a little further east, it could actually miss Doña Ana, Luna, and El Paso counties. It does seem like a good bet that the Sacramento Mountains are going to see a lot of snow. Sierra is going to see 2 to 4 inches of snow, and Hudspeth County is going to see 2 to 4 inches of snow. And we're just going to have to see on the fine-tuning as far as that exact low where the rest of the area comes in. But right now, we're expecting 1 to 2 inches for the rest of the lowlands. Currently, we've got several watches, our warnings and advisories in effect. Basically, in the Sacramento Mountains, we have a winter storm warning in effect this evening through Thursday evening. In the Gila Wilderness and the Black Range Mountains, we've got a winter weather advisory, again, tonight through Thursday evening. And every place else that you see the teal on Thursday, there'll be just that chance of either 1 to 2 inches of snow or 2 to 4 inches of snow. As you go, like I said, further north and east, you get the better snow chances. So again, going over the impacts, heavy snow in the mountains, in the lowlands, less snow, but still very impactful for most of the lowlands, especially like for El Paso. We haven't seen much snow or any snow this year, so it could be a definite impact there. We are expecting snowpack roads in area mountains, even potential road closures for the roads up to like Ruidoso, Cloudcroft, or across the pass between Silver City and Truth of Consequences. So we could see some of those roads be closed. And then, like I said, in the lowlands, we'll see that it'll start off as rain and then very quickly transition over to snow. Again, that snow transition will happen earlier, further north and east you are, and then work its way across the area during the day, reaching El Paso and like places like Las Cruces, Deming in the late afternoon. Again, emergency managers, we ask you to keep up with the latest statements and forecasts. And of course, everyone can keep an eye on the weather. You can check us out on our webpage at weather.gov/El Paso. And we'll also be posting information on our Facebook and our Twitter accounts. Thanks so much for joining me.